Hey everyone, hope you're doing well today. My name's Harry. Thanks for visiting my channel and taking some time out of your busy day. Today I want to show you my video settings that I use for my Canon R6 to get what I think are the best results out of it. So let's just jump right in and get started, okay? Okay, so here we are in the R6 menu and I'm on the first icon, the camera, and number 3, you can see that. So I just leave white balance alone. I do a lot of real estate, that works for me. But you want to go down to the Canon log settings here. So hit Canon log settings. And so this is what I've got set up right now. So the first one is Canon log. So let's just punch in there. And log gives you a sort of starting point for color grading, but it also gives you it captures the most information, the most dynamic range on your sensor. So when you get the R6, it starts off being set as off here, but I've changed it to Canon log 3. That captures so much more information in the highlights and shadows. So that's what I've got there. So let's just hit that, we'll go back. I've got view assist on. So view assist when you shoot in a flat profile like C-Log, it gives you this very flat, no contrast look on the screen. So view assist just adds some contrast and stuff to help you get a better feel for what the image is going to look like. If you're shooting with an external monitor, you'll probably want to put a LUT on there that you're going to use, and then you shoot, get the most information, most dynamic range, but you'll be able to see what it's going to look like. And then the last one is here, color space. And right now I've got Cinema Gamut set as Cinema Gamut, sorry, that's a mouthful. But when you get the camera, it's set to BT709. So color space is how much color information the camera is going to record. So if you look at this graphic on the screen, this shows a few different color spaces. And you can see that BT709 or Rec 709 captures a limited amount of space, while Cinema Gamut captures a lot of space and even beyond that. I think that's for future proofing stuff. So I put it at Cinema Gamut to get the most color information captured. And it also works well with my DaVinci Resolve workflow. So that's it. Hopefully you found that helpful. Those are the video settings that I use for my Canon R6. Fool around with it, see what you like, but for my workflow, I find I get the best results that way. So if you like this video, consider subscribing if you like, and also give it a thumbs up, like button, and I guess I'll hopefully see you in the next video. Peace.